want the bag, want the bag. I want the bag, want the bag. I want the bag. Funny money, I'm still in beat. Funny bill shop, funny bill shop, funny bill shop. Guys, it's your boy TMK. Today we're gonna perform another withdrawal, guys. As you can see here now, I have two completed withdrawal. 50, that one is 58 rand was rejected, but I have completed that. So it's 87 rand, I have completed it, and 110 rand, I have completed it. They paid me. When they say completed, it means the withdrawal was successfully, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna withdraw 107 rand, guys. Remember, I withdraw 87 rand back then, so and also 110 rand. Today I'm gonna withdraw 107 rand again, guys. 107 rand. I'm gonna buy sweets again, so I'm gonna choose my KKBT account and I'm gonna withdraw 107 rand. So I'm gonna click send. They want my password. Boom, request for withdrawal successfully. Yes, as you can see now they've added and saying applying. As you see here, say applying. When they say applying, it means the withdrawal is on a process. So after that, when they send the card, they will say completed. Yes, I think it's completed. So yeah, and this one is completed and this one is completed, guys, as you can see. So I'm waiting for 89 rand today, guys. Remember, I withdraw 87 rand last and I withdraw 110 rand last again, and the 58 rand was rejected just because I think it's because of the wrong name of my bank account. I put the wrong name, so I fixed that and they sent me their cash. So this one saying applying, it means on the process. When they are done, when they send the cash, they will say completed, as you can see the other withdrawals there, guys. So guys, guys, you don't have to sleep on me, guys. This website, guys, is so amazing, guys. It's so amazing. As you can see now, I'm left to 0.80 cent, guys. This website is so amazing, guys. So there are a lot of people that don't understand this website, guys, but the website is not that complicated. I mean, not complicated. It's not that complicated, man. So what you need to do, guys, when you land on this website, what you need to do first, guys, is to come here. I think it's here. You need to come here and read, guys, and read about the website, so that you can understand. Read everything here, guys, so you can understand, guys. So and then what you need to do is to come here and download this app. So if you need the app, you're gonna come here and click here and download the app into your phone, guys. Click here, guys. Download the app into your phone, so that you download the app and then you log in, guys. When you log in, you will land somewhere here. They said home. So first thing you need to do, guys, is to come here again where they said password. You're gonna come here where they say password. You're gonna click here. Here, guys, is the password that you're going to use when you are on a process of withdrawing, guys. It will be the password. It will be a password that you will use. So I suggest that you use the same password as your as you used to register. Use the same password to make your withdrawal password. Here, guys, it's a withdrawal password. It's not a password for your account. It's a withdrawal password. But I suggest that you don't make everything complicated.
Mama. What? Mama. What?
So, yeah, as I was saying, guys, I'm sorry for the noise. I was helping someone here. So what you need to do again after setting your password, remember, it's a withdrawal password. You need to set the withdrawal password, so that each and every time when you withdraw, they will ask for the withdrawal password. It's just for the safety purpose. That's why they need a password, guys. So after you have done that, you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. What you need to do is to come here where they say invite friends. Gonna come here where they say invite friends. As you can see, register to get
40 rand. Newbies get mining machines, guys. As you can see, when you come on this website and register, will get a 40 rand. So you're gonna invite friends by copying the link, guys. As you can see, successful copied. You just going to click here, where they say copy a link. So when you click here, you're gonna copy the link, so you can share to everyone on Facebook or on WhatsApp using that link. You can send that everyone on WhatsApp. So when they register, you're gonna get I think it's 3 rand invitation. You get a 3 rand, so it's gonna be added on that 40 rand until it makes 60 rand. So you can be able to buy a machine or withdraw to your local bank account.